Hello friends, you are once again welcome in a new video. Friends, we're going to talk about tutorial coin, which we also call TUT coin. So its price is increasing very fast in the last few times. We have seen a big pump. So how far can its price go? What is the latest news about it? And from where can you buy this coin? And what is going to be its future? We're going to discuss everything in this video, friends. Watch this video completely. And if you have come to the channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video, it reaches you first. So friends, let's start today's video. Friends, first of all, let's take a look at the price of this coin. Friends, its price right now is around 4 Indian rupees. For in the last few times, 200% here you have seen a pump inside it, and its rank in the market is 544 rank. If we look at the all-time high, then friends, it is trading at its all-time high. What should we do now, because we have seen a very big pump? So already money has become 2x, 3x here. So all the friends who had invested here should withdraw their money and hold the profit. In the coming days, you can see 4x, 5x from here. But right now, friends, what you have to do simply, the friends who have already bought it can book profit here, and the friends who want to buy for the first time can wait a little because a very big pump has come inside it. And if we see correction here, then its price can go below 3 Indian rupees again. So it will go there, then we will make an entry. Friends who want to buy it for the first time can wait a little, the price will go down. Then we are going to make an entry in it. So now let us look at the total supply. The total supply is around 1 billion and 100% of the supply has been circulated in the market. The maximum supply will remain 1 billion only. So friends, now as its volume increases, we will see a pump in its price. So guys, please like and subscribe our channel.